I'm Vinko with Mars Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm the home performance manager here. We were called out because we were having some problems with airflow to some top floor registers in bedrooms. After getting under the house and doing an assessment, we just have a ductwork system that's inadequate for the home. Some of the ductwork has been added onto. It wasn't adequately sized for the addition of the home and the existing home. We also have flex ductwork that has a shelf life. Today we're demoing out all the flex ductwork. We've decided to go back with a brand new sheet metal trunk line. It lasts the test of time. It's fully insulated and sealed, and then flex connectors to all the registers. Properly sized, proper airflow to all the rooms. Should be a fantastic system. Let's go. We're back here day 2. The guys are hard at work. We have the trunk line installed, sealed up. They're just finishing up insulation. Next, we'll be adding all the flex ductwork to the existing registers. At the end of the day, we'll be checking static at the unit to make sure it matches what we need for the air conditioning unit and the furnace. Day 3, we'll come back, walk through with the client, make sure we've met all their expectations and we get good airflow everywhere we want it. All right, day 3, just wrapped up the duct renovation. Checked out the equipment, made sure everything was operating properly, walked through the project with the homeowners, made sure they were ecstatic about their new ductwork system, and we're on to the next one.